guys? Here with Garage Quinn, no, Slip Ryan.
Slip Ryan?
There's just too many names around here. I have no idea which channel we're on right now or who's doing this unboxing.
Matches.
Really? You can walk in front of the camera? Is this amateur hour? What's up, guys? It's Quinn from Garage Quinn Motors here.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What is this imposter slip angle?
Oh my god. I just wanted some fame.
Alright, go ahead, you can have it.
Alright. We're going to be dewinterizing the Miata here today. I'm going to take you through a few things. We're going to change the oil. We're going to get it ready for summertime driving, have some fun. Quinn, take over.
Dude, you're doing great. I was just going to say, I don't even have to do this shit anymore.
He's a natural.
So first we're going to jack the car up on the lift. I can't get these underneath here because it's too low, so I'm going to jack it up from the rear differential. Sounds like you and you're home alone at night? Is that what you're saying?
Jack it off, Quinn. Hey Quinn.
Hey, Barlow.
It's a little dark in here. Do you have any lights we can shine?
You know, it's funny that you say that because we do actually.
Do we?
We do!
Oh!
Oh!
Our good friends at Sansi LED were kind enough to send us a variety of lights of all shapes and sizes and colors. Right?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Let's unbox these, Jonathan.
Alright, which one do we got here first?
Let's do the big one first.
How many watts is this?
50 watts.
50 watts. Yep. This is for outdoor, yard, garage, and porch.
So these are LED floodlights. This is the biggest of the bunch. Ooh, nicely packaged. Very tight. As you can see here, it has 8 LEDs. Comes with some brackets so you can mount it to your garage or wherever you want to mount it.
Got some knobs for adjustment. We got some waterproof housings there.
Seems pretty good. Let's move on to the next one. We won't know until we plug them all in. So these are 30 watts, a little smaller. What's it say on the sticker? It's good for your garden
Light
or
up
your
the world. Yep.
Yeah, what? Light up the world. This has 4 LEDs.
4 LEDs.
And we're really good at counting here on the slip angle.
That is a waterproof on and off switch there to check out if you know.
It's good that these are waterproof because if we use them in the garage, we wash our cars in here because I don't know why we do that. It's clean. You can do it any day of the week.
Yep.
But it's good to know that these won't fry and won't short circuit anything. What's next? This is the same thing. Here's where the party really gets started.
Ooh. What do you got there?
RGBs, you know what that stands for?
Red, green, and blue?
It sure does. When we do our late night raves, this is what we bust out.
It's a goddamn party under here!
Red, green, and blue, baby.
Can't wait to try that one out.
Nope, it's gonna be like EDC in here. Electric Dance Carnival.
Right.
You know it before?
No.
No. Holy crap!
Oh!
It comes with a remote and everything.
Oh my god. That's amazing.
So Quinn's waiting in the dark, waiting for me to light up his life and plug these in, so let's do it.
Yeah, let's use it.
Let's see what these are about. He's scared, he's crying. Hit it, Jay.
Oh!
Woo!
Let there be light.
You really hit the note there, Quinn.
So I feel like I'm about to have a seizure. But
Why? Because these are so bright?
They're so bright! Actually, these are pretty nice.
Yeah.
They're compact and they're lighting this up pretty good under here. I can see all my underbody work. I like it.
I can see your underbody work too.
Don't. Oh my gosh. I'm so camera shy. So we're taking, hey, you watch it. We're taking the NB out from winter storage. I do not like to leave oil in cars very long. I don't hit the mileage on these anymore because I don't drive them that much, but I do try to change my oil when it's been in the car for about 6 months. I don't like to go past that point. So there's probably about 500 or 600 miles on this oil, but we are going to put some fresh jam in here for the season. I don't know why this little cappy thing is in here.
I don't know why Shannon can never focus.
Whoa, Shannon, settle down. So I run on this car. What are you?
What's going on in the peanut gallery?
Music over there.
Match you.
Oh, you missed it.
You missed the money shot.
Yeah,
Ooh.
I just got pukaki'd. So this oil looks dark, but that's because it's Royale purple, which is actually purple. So it always looks dark. I run in my car 10W30 Royal Purple HPS. It's their non-API formula. I think there's more zinc in it. I like to run this oil because it's cheap. It's available in 5-gallon pails, which is what I buy it in. Most of my cars take 1030, so it's easy to just buy it in bulk. I do think AMSOIL is probably the best oil you can get. I'm just too lazy to go and source it out in bulk, or don't want to spend the extra money. So I run this because this is what the Miata's BP's rod bearings are clearance for, is 10W30 weight. To me, that is the most important clearance in the car, and that is what you should run your oil for. Camshafts second, turbochargers and all that nonsense third. So that's why I run 10W30. And that's all I gotta say about that. Hey, so for oil filters, I always run OEM, pretty much in all my cars. They work well, they're designed well. I don't do fancy filters, and I don't do cheap filters, I just buy the OEMs. And a little trick for Miata Tatas, the oil filters underneath the intake manifold, anytime you take the filter off, it just spills oil all over the side of the motor. So I take a little half quarter oil, I cut it in half, make a little tray, stick it underneath the filter as I'm unthreading it, and it collects most of the oil, not all of it, but kind of just mitigates the mess.
What's up, guys?
Oh, what's up, Jonathan? So lastly, I have my oil ready to go, already measured out in a smaller Royal Purple jug because I buy this in 5-gallon bulk. Putting 3.8 quarts in, it's already measured out. Makes life just a little bit easier. Say it. Say it, buddy.
Little cell.
And that's it.
This one's not doing the ASMR I was hoping it would.
Oh, get in there.
Get in there deep. See, it almost looks a black nut straight from the jug, but that's because that,
It really is purple. Look
that,
at that
deep
Look at
Royale.
that deep purple drip.
Purple.
Propel. Ooh. Oh. Oh my gosh.
The real question is, why is it purple?
I don't know.
What's in it that makes it purple?
Jay Snow,
That's
questioning.
a really good question. You're asking too many questions.
Is it just coloring?
JV.
I mean, who
You
wants
know,
food?
you know what happens to people ask too many questions around here?
I just want to know if
You're
you want,
fired.
Do you want food?
Get the f out. Look how focused Jonathan is.
Look how steady he is.
You're like a ninja, man.
You would think this is on a tripod.
Ninja focus going on right
You know
now.
they call John the tripod?
Do they really?
Yeah.
All you have to do is lean forward. He's blushing a little bit right now. So what do we got to say about these disco floor
I
lights
hope
here?
you guys all enjoyed Quinn's little rave party he had over
Oh
there.
man, I forgot that that's going into this video.
Oh yeah. But all in all, they're pretty good. They're bright for their size. Wouldn't you say? When you stare right into them, you can't see for.
I wonder if you can have some interesting hallucinations if you like stare at them long enough.
I felt like
while
I
they're
was-
strobing in your face.
I was starting to hallucinate.
I felt like I was getting abducted by aliens because I just saw round circles every time I closed my eyes. You think this is how alien encounters begin?
I think so.
With,
You're probably right.
with lights like
Yeah.
these? Okay.
So guys, we're gonna put a link in our description with a discount code. Check it out. That's it, I like them, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna use them.
Yeah, we're gonna use them, no joke.
It's useful, so that's it.
That's it. So the NB's ready to go?
Yes.
Yes.
She's ready.
Fresh oil.
She's ready to make anuses bleed.
Go. Is that it?
I think that's it.
All right.
I'm gonna close this one out.
Yo, bring the hand to the camera.